Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 101 Benefit Street, Unit 2, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's a second floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated throughout. Start our video tour right when you walk in. Got your living area here, open floor plan, gorgeous hardwood flooring, high ceilings, new lighting, fresh paint, big picture windows facing the front of the house. Behind me is the private entry. Eat-in kitchen here with gorgeous island, double undermount sink, granite marble countertops. Plenty of room for 3 or 4 stools. We'll go right to left here. Oversized stainless steel refrigerator. Middle of the island, you got dishwasher, electric stove, plenty of countertop and cabinet space. Off the kitchen, you do have your own little 4 Seasons room / mudroom because you get another entrance right there. Off the kitchen area, you got bedroom number 1, easily could fit a king set, ceiling fans here, good sized closet. Door there leads to basement for laundry. Full bathroom here, beautiful tile flooring, brand new lighting, state-of-the-art vanity, shower tub, beautiful backsplash. Huge linen closet there. Make our way back out. Bedroom number 2. Also plenty of closet space. This could easily fit a queen, possibly a king set. And you get bedroom number 3. Big enough for a queen. Also possibly a king set. I'd like to apply for 101 Benefit Street, Unit 2, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.